Hey, good afternoon. I'm putting up a Sanus wall mount. It's a VXF 730. And I can't install it like they show in the instruction manual because I don't have wood studs and I don't have concrete. So I had to put my mount on a plywood backboard. And if you follow the instructions to a T like they have it for wood stud and concrete, you'll never have the issue that I came across. But there's probably other people that may have this issue, and I just want to let you know what not to do so you don't screw yourself. If you install this per the instructions for wood studs, your wood studs are going to be 16 or 24 inch on center. That being the case, you're going to, for 24 inch, you're going to use this hole and this hole. If your studs are 16 inch on center, you'll use this hole and this hole, this hole, this hole, this hole, or this hole. If you mount it on concrete, instructions tell you to use the two end holes and the center hole. Because I'm on plywood backboard, I hit a stud with the center, but then I've got toggles through the wall and through the plywood. So I put these three in and I put the bottom one in. And then I went to hang this arm in this channel and it would not go in. The problem is the top of this arm is 8 1/4 inches wide. And this arm will not go past the bolt heads. So you have to have at least 8 1/4 inch gap anywhere along this top channel to get this arm in. So my arm right now, I couldn't get past this bolt. No matter where I put this, I've got two bolts in the way. So I ended up having to I took this bolt out, I put this back into the channel, and then I put this bolt back in. Problem is, this is a molly. And Murphy's Law, I would have said that that molly is going to tinkle down inside that wall, and then I'll be back to square one trying to figure out how I'm going to secure this. And I'm glad I didn't put the other lag bolts in here because I'm going to put 4 lags in these holes here to keep that to the plywood. So you won't find this in the instruction manual. If you're putting one of these up, you need at least 8 1/4 inches of gap somewhere along this channel to get this arm into this channel. I'm doing a video on how I'm putting all of this up, but I didn't want to make those videos too long with this explanation, so I want this one to stand alone by itself. So just remember, you put one of these up, and if you're putting it in concrete and you might want to add an extra fastener or two, you're going to screw yourself unless you put this arm in the channel first. Well, I hope this helps somebody out. I got lucky. I took that molly out and I didn't hear it fall inside the wall. I don't know why, because my luck usually doesn't run that way, but I'm thankful. So now I'm going to get and put the rest of my lag bolts in, and this installation will be complete. Hey, thanks for watching.